And my boy, Mirman.
No. Oh, just do this.
Look at him.
Oh, mine was that.
Hey you guys, it's me, Kaden, Jasir, Tehran, Amir, Milo G. And we just got some chips. Yeah, Doritos. These bags of chips. These bags of chips. And we got whatever this is. And back on the house. Oh yeah, and we got some jelly. Guys, this is the man.
No, that's the lady.
This is the man, lady. I guess it's a lady.
No.
But look at the lady on top of here. Now we got open everywhere.
Let me do it.
Yeah.
It's much. You can have one. You can.
Yeah. And I'm out. It's not a thing.
Oh shoot.
Today, everybody, we will be picking religion today. With whipped cream. Because you slapped me in the other video. So I'm getting back. So, we was doing this makeup video, and she kept hitting me, but I ain't do nothing. Then, I know she just slapped me right across my face. I couldn't do nothing about it, so now I am getting whipped cream, painting right in her face. Yes, today I got whipped cream, and I got the pan. Shut up. It's a little difficult to open up so much. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Nice secret. Oh yeah. That should be in the beginning. Everything okay?
Yeah. Trust me, man. It's not awful. Trust me.
Yeah, I can't. Okay.
Trust me. It's not awful. Trust me. Trust me, boy.
Oh no, that joint stink. Oh no, I'm not drinking it.
Here.
This detergent?
No.